vlogger channel, and today we are going to Sringeri actually. So on the way we'll get Agumbe, and you might have just seen the fast forward of the starting part of Agumbe, and it's still going on. There are around 13 circles maybe. So until the 13th one comes, I'll be taking shots. So still I guess we are in some 4th or 5th maybe right now. When the proper scenery comes, I'll show you. You can see the roads, they are proper now. Earlier it was horrible. So once we reach the top, I'll get back to you. Friends, we reached the top. You can see from here, almost the top. The top has not come yet. Little bit of traffic here. The problem is you cannot overtake so easily here in Agumbe. It is consisting of one of the very steep turns in ghat sections. One of the dangerous ghat also. So we'll reach there in another 2 to 3 minutes maybe. Horn is very essential, and you can see the roads are clear. Lot of monkeys also. You can find many type of exotic species of monkeys in Agumbe. People feed them also with fruits and other stuff. You can see how steep the turns are. That's why it's a little bit risky here. And during rainy seasons, a lot of fog appears. And now we'll come to the 13th turn maybe, almost the 13th one. And this is the viewpoint from here. The top you can see. I'll show you how the viewpoint will be, where you can see from the top of this ghat section. So this is the last turn. So after this we have reached Agumbe. You can see there is a little bit of parking here, where you can park your vehicle and go. And here this is the viewpoint. I'm not going out. You know, Corona is slightly too high. So it's better you can see from here how the view looks like. You may be feeling that I'm joking, but it's serious all over India also. So precaution is better than cure, friends. So that is what I meant. But still you can find people here and there. And it's very sunny out. So here there's a temple with a lake. And a lot of monkeys also you can find here. And here forest gate also is there for checking purposes. Like redwood and sandalwood can be sailed in black. So this will prevent it. And you can see this is the lake. You can find many swans and ducks here. And you can see monkeys also doing naughty business. So that's the plus point here in these areas. More than dogs, monkeys are common here. You can see how people feed also, and how they climb inside the vehicles. Very, very, very naughty. So Agumbe is done. Now it's the way for Sringeri actually. So if any more shots are available, I'll meet you back, and while I come back, probably I'll take another few shots. So friends, that's all. I'm completely exhausted right now. It's around 9:11 right now. So we went to hotel in middle, and here and there we roamed. So the atmosphere was clear, everything was clear. So I enjoyed today's Agumbe trip. So, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment my videos. And please inform your friends, relatives also to subscribe my channel. Like usual, I'll be keep on going to update and upload more and more videos. So see you next time. Until then, signing off by the Koshul Love.